Hey, Brian from Roush Mahal. Today on my Bulova watch, and I am going to be sizing the band. So basically what I do, I'm going to show you the tools in a couple seconds. I put the band on and I kind of guesstimate about how many links I need. I think probably 2 to start, so 1 on either side. That way I keep the clasps centered. And then on here, on the inside, you can see those little arrows. That's the direction that you are pushing the pin out. And then basically I have kind of like a little bracelet vise. And you want to be lining up those holes onto one of the corresponding holes below. And then you're going to use a pin push. Let me get that a little more centered for everybody. And then basically you're pushing this through. And it's spring loaded, so a couple of hits here and there should be enough to get that through. And it is not working, so we do have a backup. So we are going to use this little device, and same thing, it kind of pushes it in manually. And with this you do have to kind of raise the plate up to meet the thickness of the band. I think we're probably good right about there. And we're going to line that little pin up, and it's tough because it's chrome, so it makes it kind of funky to view. And then you're basically pushing that, so I need a little more TLC to push that through, but that worked. So you can see we have the pin on that side, so we're going to extract it with our pliers. Sometimes you can do it with your fingers. Then we're going to pull that out. I think I might have to go a little bit deeper on this pin vise. I think that is all we got. Yep, okay. So we'll pull that out, and then this pin will come out. I need just a little more force. A little bit of twisting. And then there you go, that pin comes out. Always have them facing the right way. And then again, we'll move this link out. So we'll basically replicate what we just did before. And we'll line that up nice and good. I think I gotta raise this up just a little bit. But anyway, so we'll start pushing that pin. And then you can see how that comes out on the other side. And then same thing, we'll get this pin pulled out. A little bit of twist and pull. Okay, so flip that around so we keep that in the right order. And then that is that way. We're going to line that back up. We're going to take one of the pins that we just pulled out. We're going to line that back up. And then we'll push that in a little bit. Okay. And this will need some gentle pushing back in. So we'll use the hammer. Okay. And then just make sure that that is seated properly. So probably a quick tap with the hammer. That's pretty good. So Put the vice pin pusher back on this side, and then we will seat that pin. Okay, and we'll seat that a little bit more, but let's get to work on the other side. And again, pins go this way, so we'll basically replicate what we just did. Let's just size that a little bit more. Okay, so just double checking as we go. And then we're going to push the pin out on this side. So same thing, we'll push that, get that lined up, push that pin out. So we're good there. And then we'll just jump ahead a little bit and get this pin pushed out as well. Again, I'll flip this around. Since I'm right-handed, get a better grip. These seem to be like really tight in there. Okay. So I'll put that down there. Put that down there. Again, we'll push this pin back in. And this one, I'm not going to seat super good just because I want to see how much further I have to go. I think we're okay, but let me just double check that. Now we'll just give it a couple of taps. Okay, let's check the fit, and I think we're good. So that should sit pretty well, and I always like to kind of push them a little bit to either side and make sure that they're not going to slip on my wrist. But anyway, we're good there. So let's seat all the pins, make sure that they're good, and basically what you can do is just rub your thumbnail over it, and then you'll be able to feel any of them that are high. Obviously that one's high, so we'll use the Teflon side, get that flush. I think we're good there. We'll just give it a little push with the pin pusher. Let's give that a nice little push, sit at home. Sometimes if that's hard to see, I can use the spring-loaded one, which will do a pretty good job on it as well, as long as you line it up good. Right on the pin. And then that just pushes it all the way. Check the placement of these. This one needs a little TLC. Okay, then we're good. Okay. Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.